Hi friends, my name is Abby, and if you are new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be the simplest, the easiest to follow step-by-step guide to the trendy no makeup look for spring. I want this to just be very natural. I say that all the time that I just love a natural no makeup look, but then I feel like sometimes I'm showing you way too many products. I'm just gonna simplify it and bring you core ingredients to the perfect glass skin, clean girl makeup. Make skin look like skin, make the colors pop, but not too much. So it's a very fine line. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna talk about my favorite products for this specific makeup look. So let's get into it. As an example, if you are a chef and you're gonna make a very simple dish with 5 simple ingredients, you're going to pick really good quality ones. So in this video, I wanted to also share with you, these are the ones I would pick that are just tried and true, that work the best, last the longest, and just give the best results for what we're doing. All the products I'm gonna be mentioning are in the caption below. So let's go ahead and get started. I went ahead earlier and just did my normal morning skincare routine. My skin is moisturized, but not too much. So go ahead and do that if you feel like you want to. But with this product, you kind of don't need to because it kind of just does it all. So this is the Tower 28 Sunny Days. It has SPF 30. This wears really well and it makes your skin look like skin. It's clean. I just put this everywhere. I'm gonna be focusing on using my hands instead of brushes. This is the best way, especially for a tint, to get everything into the skin. Your fingers are warm, so it's warming up the product and making it look even more skin-like. Our skin tone is perfectly balanced. Next up is concealer, of course. This is my Kosas concealer in color 2.5C. It's great for a no makeup day because it just covers everything and it's very lightweight. Just blend it in with my fingers. And boom, the skin is done with 2 very simple, clean ingredients. Next up is blush, and this is one of my favorite blushes I've ever used. It's so unique and interesting. I'm gonna show you in a second, but this is from Fui and this is Color Without. I made a full video to see if the viral blushes are actually worth it. Come to find out, they've become one of my favorites in my entire collection. They're like these cool little pudding pods that are moussey, if you can see, but it's very lightweight and airy and it blends in so easily and it just looks stunning. My color is more of that spring summer, so this is a really good color, especially because we're complementing that with spring summer. Obviously, I'm gonna pick a very soft pink. You can build it up really easily. You can actually find these products linked in my caption, but also on Amazon. So they're really easy and accessible and affordable, which we love, but it's just, you can see the difference. It just brings so much more life to the cheeks. Ugh, it just makes my skin look and feel better. I'm obviously, as you can see, not even gonna put on contour today. I'm not even gonna put any powder down. I just want this to be as natural and skin-like as humanly possible, which again is why I'm using my fingers. I always love to bring the blush onto my lids because it will complete the look. If you see before and after, it just brings in a little bit more life on this side. Next up is lips, which is my favorite part. We love options. I love the Fui 3D volumizing glosses for this exact reason, because they come in both a 30 and a 70% of the same shade. On the back of my hand, I have 2 glosses, and these are both color vanilla. One is 70%, one is 30%. And you can obviously tell one is thicker, more concentrated. It's kind of cool to get both of one shade, and just if there's one day where you're going out and you want a little more color, then you'd go for the 70% or you would go with the 30%. So for the sake of this video, I'm obviously going to be doing the 30% because we were doing a no makeup look, and I don't want too much shine or pigment. I just want to keep it really, really natural. It's just so incredibly light and hydrating. So good. And you can just see the gloss. It's so plumping and hydrating and luscious. And it has the perfect amount of pink hue to it for a natural spring summer look. If you prefer more of a red lip, this is the other color that would be perfect for that. This is the 70%. Angdu is the color. This is the 70% in color Scotch if you're somebody who prefers more of that orangey coral blush. And of course, if you prefer more of a warm brown blush, you'll love Color Current, and it's a very cool mauve. For highlight, of course, another Fui product because we are loving them these days. This is a very easy to use highlighter, and you know the trend at one point was like a really powdery, glowy cheek that just makes you look highlighted. Now we want our skin to just look like it's been kissed by life. And so putting a little bit of a shine on the high points of the cheeks right above the blush is just going to give us that like healthy look. So we're going for healthy, we're not going for drama, if that makes sense. This is color Sugar Powder. You can see this shine on the back of my hand and how creamy and blendable, but it's not too wet and it's not sticky at all. It just has like a really hydrated feeling, but it has enough tack to it that it's going to stay. I have some highlighters that are almost too wet and they just slide around or my hair gets stuck in it. So this is just absolutely perfect. You're gonna put this on the high points. It has a really soft shine, but it's not like super glittery. So it does represent your skin really beautifully. And I always put it under my brow bones. It just gives that lit from within vibe. This shimmery glitter balm is like everything you need in a highlighter. This is one of my go-to brow gels when I'm doing a no makeup look because it's not cakey. It's from Rare Beauty and it just holds them in place without being really intense. Once they're put where they're supposed to be and combed out, you just look so much more put together. So I brush them up and then I just comb down those long top hairs that I should probably get cut soon. Just makes my skin and face just look so much more complete, you know? Lastly is my favorite mascara, especially for a light skin, no makeup day. The Westman Atelier Mascara in Le Brun. I just want you to see, I literally need like 3 little sweeps of this and I'm like done. That's it. So there you guys have it, the perfect natural no makeup look using no brushes, natural products that lay beautifully on the skin that make your skin just glow from within. I feel like I didn't need anything to get this flawless look. It's so easy. It could be done in 5 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I hope you try it for spring, summer. I can't wait to see what you guys create. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions. Again, everything will be linked in the caption below for you. And until the next video, bye guys.